How to upload student data onto the TestWise website. To upload new student data onto the website, you will need to click on the Students button from your main homepage. In order to add a single student to the system, you will need to click on Add Student at the top of the page. This will then bring up a form that will need to be completed with the student's details. The 6 areas marked with an asterisk are the mandatory fields and will need to be completed for all of the students. You will need to put in here the first name, last name, the unique identifier, which used to be called the unique pupil number or UPN on our previous TestWise site, and this is the child's student or ID number, and this is what the TestWise system uses to track the pupil's progress across the year groups. You will then need to put in the date of birth, and this will help with the standardization of the test to ensure the child is the right age and is compared to children of their age nationally. You will need to add in the gender, and you can choose from the drop-down menu on gender in order to ensure that this field is filled out in a uniform way by everybody who enters student data onto the system. You also have this drop-down option in the free school meals and in English as a second language. You will finally need to enter the group name. By typing into this box, you will be able to see suggestions that have previously come up before for the group name that you are typing. Again, in order to keep all of the data consistent and uniform, this will bring up suggestions of a class 2 that I have typed in previously. As we can see, the capitalization here has been added on the previous entry, so I would need to click on the capitalized class 2 in order to make sure that this child is being recorded in the same way as previous pupils have been on the system in the past. If you did want to add a new group name, you can click onto the Add button, and this will then add this as a suggestion the next time you type into the box. We do recommend for you to fill in the other parts of this page, as this will help you to get a more detailed level of analysis when it comes to the reporting. You also have these 2 custom fields here, which you can choose to select a category or anything that you would like to see in your reports and add those into these 2 columns for the student data. Once you are happy with this page, you can click on Save, and this will save the child's profile. You will then be able to see the child in this main page here.